Thanks to Walmart delivery, I have this pool ready. I'm making her a little welcome box for her delivery. Thanks to Walmart, it got here just in time. Thanks to Walmart delivery. I love Walmart delivery. I'm addicted now, y'all. Okay, and I got some training pads y'all told me to get. Okay, so let's make it do what it do. Cleaning it out. I hear you, Mama. Hold on. Okay, also got some blankets. Okay, actually, I'm gonna lay this one down first. I'm not putting those other covers in there because they stink. And who wants to go in labor with something that's already funky? Not I. And I'm gonna put this one on top. Then I'll put this heating pad underneath this round cover. Like that. Okay, mamas, hold on, I hear you. Then I'm gonna set this in here like that. Maybe put another cover on top. Put some training pads in there. I feel like that's good, right? It should be. Okay. Okay, y'all, what y'all think? Y'all should be ready. I had to put her in her cage because she wouldn't stay in the pool. And I didn't want her to have babies anywhere, just anywhere around the house. So I had to put her in the cage. So she's getting comfortable. Y'all, this is baby number 2. Oh, he doing the most, more than the other baby was at first. Wow. He's a dance already. Look at this little nugget. Crying. Little girl. Hi, Mama. Feed my girl some milk to make sure the babies have enough supply. See him underneath her. Y'all see him underneath her. She's drinking her milk. Hello, my girl. Yummy. Say yummy. No more. Look at him right there. Look at him. Look at them, mamas. Yes. They look so cute. A mama and her babies. Okay, I'm gonna leave y'all alone. They drinking. Oh. Okay.